What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you the different kinds of logo packages and what each one includes. The best way to view the different packages and see what's included in each one is to go to the pricing tab here and then select logo maker. From here you can see that there are 3 different price options. So we have basic, which is £15, premium, which is £50, and then enterprise, which is £115 plus. All of these prices are a one-time purchase, so you will not have to pay monthly. Starting things off here with the basic option, you will get a low resolution logo file, and this is best for those who are on a low budget and are just starting out. If you would like to go with a basic option, all you have to do is press the get started now button and you can go from there. On the other hand, the most popular option is premium, which is actually £50, and as you can see, you are currently saving 50%. With this option, you do get a high resolution logo file for your website, social media, print, packaging and branding. Below is a list of everything you will receive if you do purchase it. So as you can see, there's a lot more. You will get a high resolution logo file, vector images, you'll get a transparent background, lifetime phone support, black and white versions. You'll also be able to make changes and re-download your logo. It will be print ready. You will get the font names and colors and full ownership of that logo. Moving on to the last one, we have enterprise at a £115 plus price range, and this is for those who are looking for a custom design solution created by a logo expert. So choosing this option, you will receive everything that is included in premium, as well as the ability to customize your logo with one of Designhill's personal designers. And yes guys, that was the different logo packages. I also showed you what each one did include. Hopefully that did go on to help you. I will see you in the next one. Peace.